Hi, this is Mark Oakeshott on behalf of Move4U Technology. Of all the documents used in the moving industry, the packing inventory is by far the most important. As the only record of all the items that you hold on behalf of your customer, the inventory becomes a critical document. And yet, despite this importance, the packing inventory has traditionally only been put together by pen and paper. This long-used method of handwriting an inventory has clear disadvantages. Often hard to read and with errors crossed out on the document, the inventory becomes of little value to you, the customer, the delivery crew, or to claims adjusters after the move. For that reason, Move4U developed CrewPro, an easy-to-use solution for packing crews to complete a clear inventory as quickly as writing it down, but with a lot more benefits. Now, some people in the industry worry about the ability of drivers and packers to use technology as part of their work duties. But CrewPro is designed around a simple workflow, allowing your team to easily set up the customer details and then document everything they have to load. The Auto Suggest features quickly identify common items in each room and allow them to add any notes on pre-existing damage, leading to a clear, readable and useful inventory. CrewPro even allows you to capture photographs that accompany the digital document through to delivery. When used with SurveyPro, Move4U's pre-move survey platform, information collected during the in-home survey is automatically uploaded to CrewPro, meaning that the inventory is all but complete and simply needs some final touches, saving your crew valuable time. What's more, CrewPro is there for every type of situation, even in homes or remote areas where there is no data connection. You can rely upon CrewPro to efficiently capture and store your inventory information and then synchronize it and send it to the office as soon as a Wi-Fi connection becomes available. For those of you that use barcode labels, CrewPro replaces outdated scanning equipment and recognizes a wide range of barcode label standards and even QR codes. For international movers, CrewPro has even more benefits. Once the inventory is complete, you can share a signed electronic copy with anyone involved in the move, from freight forwarders, customs authorities to the destination agent. CrewPro is also able to translate the inventory and any notes into multiple languages, meaning that the delivery crew can finally understand what item is what and not simply work off the piece count. And talking of checking the piece count, CrewPro even includes an easy-to-use checkoff system, allowing warehouse or delivery crews to digitally cross off all items. This way, your crew can work faster and without making any expensive mistakes. Finally, in terms of compliance and data security, like all Move4U solutions, all your customers' data and personal information is fully protected to GDPR standards. All around, CrewPro is by far the easiest application on the market for completing packing inventories for every type of move. So what are you waiting for? Request a demonstration today and try the product for free.